Alright, let's test your order of operations with this one. We've got 7 minus 7 times, and again, 7 minus 7. Most people look at this and say, oh, that's easy. 7 minus 7 equals 0, and again, 7 minus 7 equals 0, so 0 times 0 is 0. And they confidently write down 0 as their answer. But that's not correct. Let's see what actually went wrong. You see, according to the order of operations, the PEMDAS rule, we must handle multiplication before subtraction. That's where the mistake happens. So let's slow down and do it properly. In our expression, we have 2 subtractions and 1 multiplication. And since multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, we start there. So, first, let's do 7 times 7, which gives us 49. Now, our expression becomes 7 minus 49 minus 7. Next, we handle the remaining subtractions from left to right. So first, 7 minus 49, that gives negative 42. Then, negative 42 minus 7, that equals negative 49. So, the correct answer to this problem is negative 49. See how one small order mistake changes the entire result? That's why following the order of operations is so important. It keeps your math from flipping upside down.